Welcome to Signature Deal Desk, a brand new service exclusively for the members of the Signature Real Estate Companies. The Signature Deal Desk is your private one-on-one tutorial to help you start a new transaction, process the paperwork, complete the documents, and send everything out through Total Brokerage to your customer for electronic signing. Visit www.signaturedealdesk.com to sign up today free of charge for a personal one-on-one tutorial for your first transaction to help you get familiar with our systems, processes, forms, and technology. Signature Deal Desk is not a replacement for in-class training. We have tons of critically important and valuable material and knowledge-rich content for you in our training classes. But the Deal Desk is there in the heat of the moment when you're ready for your first transaction. So when you have a buyer, seller, landlord, or tenant ready to go, ready to pull the trigger, listing property, buying property, or leasing property, that's the time to start utilizing the Signature Deal Desk so you can arrange your one-on-one private tutorial on Zoom with one of our knowledgeable signature managers who will help you, show you exactly what to do from starting a file in Total Brokerage, completing all the paperwork, and sending it for electronic signature. Alternatively to the Deal Desk, we have G.R.E.T.C.H.E.N, which is Signature's greatest real estate transaction coordinator help enterprise network. G.R.E.T.C.H.E.N is a paid service where if you don't want to do the paperwork, you can hire G.R.E.T.C.H.E.N to do all of your paperwork and compliance for you. That information can be found at www.gogretchen.com. Either way, take advantage of the great resources at Signature, whether it's the Signature Deal Desk or whether it's G.R.E.T.C.H.E.N, we're here to help. We want to help you close more deals, and these are the resources we provide to help ensure your success in the real estate industry. Best of luck with your transaction.